Hello everyone, I'm Rakshit Pai and in today's video, I'll explain everything you need to know about Metaverse. You might have heard of the word Metaverse. It is getting quite a traction nowadays. Basically, Meta is a Greek word that means beyond and verse is something like universe. So Metaverse means beyond universe or something like digital universe, which is beyond reality, outside the reality into digital space. What is Metaverse? Have you played the game Minecraft? It's where you mine and craft. Similarly, in the metaverse, which means beyond the universe, you can do virtually anything. There is literally no limit to your digital universe. You can play games with your friends, do work with colleagues, interact with family and friends, basically anything that you do at present. You can do it all virtually in your own created space or environment and as per your liking. Here you will represent an avatar and so does others. The applicability of this tech is unlimited. With Metaverse, we'll have a great number of content creators, or in this case, developers, and then others who use created content. When I say content, I mean the theme, it's the environment. For example, your phone has a theme, right? A developer created a theme, you downloaded it to your phone, that gave a different look to your phone. Similarly, there will be creators of digital universe, and by just putting on the artificial reality glass and virtual reality headset, you enter this metaverse. Applicability of metaverse. Now just imagine what all you can do if you have your own universe. You'll have virtual space and multiple screens, all interconnected, visible for you at one glance. Our workspace will improve drastically. It will be more interactive and work from home will be a new norm. Apparently, you can also interact with your yoga instructor virtually. Not just that, the way I see it, our entertainment industry will also have a revolutionary change. I don't mean just the production end, the way we watch movies and series will also change. We'll also have different schooling system altogether. And when it comes to gaming, imagine GTA 5 with you entering the gameplay as a character. Chatting and playing games with friends will be much more fun. Metaverse technology. Metaverse will use virtual and augmented reality, Web 3.0 and blockchain. I'll explain each of these technology in detail in my following videos. Subscribe to know more. The technology is an open source metaverse project, OESMP, and since Facebook, aka Meta, has been too expressive in their marketing, people believe that it's the only platform, which is far from true. Metaverse is an open source. Open source in the sense anyone can contribute and participate. To contribute, you need to be a developer, and to participate, you need to have your own gadgets such as artificial reality glasses, virtual reality headset, and others. How to invest in metaverse? Yes, you can invest in metaverse and thus invest in the future. It's like investing on the internet in the pre-90s era, but the metaverse is 100 times better and can be much more wealth creator. So, how to invest in metaverse? To begin with, own some of the largest tech companies in your portfolio because the way I see it, they will lead us into the metaverse universe. Companies such as Facebook, known as Meta, Apple, Google, and others are at the forefront of this revolution. Own them in your portfolio and you will own a part of the next big thing. Then comes cryptocurrency. I mean, we are talking about creating an entire universe virtually. So we'll definitely have virtual currency to run the virtual world, right? And Facebook already has its own currency known as Libra. And then we have other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, which for sure will be used in the metaverse. Lot more to explain, very little time. I will make more videos on this topic, so subscribe to the channel and get access to all the videos. Also, don't forget to check my website where I write articles about investment, economy, personal finance tips, and much more such content. Link in the description. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.